surface. What's up guys? It's a crack of a day. I'm launching a lot later than usual. It's 8 o'clock already. And it's going to be hot out there. Apparently there's not too many fish around. But I'll see. I'm feeling lucky. Archer. It was the most chilled launch ever. So lacquer. The water is dirty, so that's not the best thing, but we're going to try our best. First things first is get some liveys. Okay, on the bottom. It's a little bit easier to get liveys with a fish finder. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those, so I just have to poke around until I find them. Got some liveys, I think. Hopefully it's a couple. Oh, got one. Another one fell off. Okay, one's better than none for now. Feels like 2 or 3. Ooh, now it feels like 1. Oh, 2 again. 1. One's better than none. So you want at least 5 or 6 liveys, alright? It's a good size for the live well. If you get too many, it's a little bit crowded and then they could die. But mozzies, which are these that I've got now, are quite tough, so that's not a problem. Yeah, 5 or 6 would be good, because then if you get charred, you can at least have a couple of backups. Now I'm getting nothing. I have to paddle back right over there. Looks like I got more than one. Come on, come on, come on. Cheers. Okay, so now I got 4. It's not too bad. Right, my 2 liveys are out, looking good. Trying to hide from the sun here. One down and one on the surface. I'm going to paddle over the reefs here. Tiff's quite shallow, and then I'm going to push out deep. I might even put a 3rd livey out. That'll be quite interesting. Well, let's see. Heading over Tiff's reef now, very shallow. Have a look. Something was trying at my bait. Okay, I'm attempting to put 3 rods out. One on the surface, far out the back. One on the top is on just fluoro and a circle hook, so hoping for a dory or a tuna on that one. If it's a kuta, I'm in trouble. And then the 2 on the bottom are steel traces. Right, it's bloody hot. Trying to hide from the sun, as you can see. I am deep out here at Salt Rock. If I had to fall off, I don't even think Michael Phelps will swim back. But it looks like there might be a slight color line that I'm approaching. I'm almost in line with the boats that have been cruising around here, so hopefully there's some action out deep. Still got 3 good baits out, you never know. Right, so I just paddled past the guy. And he said there are lots of Dorado out here, so hopes are high. On boy, on! Sorry, on the surface. Yes! Oh, it's jumping. That's so cool. Ah, it's jumping like a... Okay, on with my first story. Hopefully the curse is going to be broken. Oh, on the circle look on the surface. I need to get my gaff out the hatch somehow. Just make this guy nice and loose. Yo, colors boss. That's so fun. Come on, concentrate. Oh, don't shake me. Oh, this jumping going well. Might be a bit green, but I'm going to try and gaff him. Oh, got him. Got him. Yes, first Dorado. That's so cool. Look at him. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my word, that's so amazing. I'm so chuffed with that. Wow. Circular corner of the mouth. See if I can pop it out. In there she goes. Ooh, popcorn! I think my rod might be getting charred. Maybe it's just swimming strong. Yo, thanks for your advice, Buff. It's definitely worthwhile pushing out as deep as I could go. And then I found this nice little colour line. The water's warm and it's pretty blue out here. So that's obviously why the Dorado's hanging around. The problem is I've got 3 live baits out, but that's all the baits I got left. So when those are done, so is my fish. Hey, that's ridiculous. So many. It's just not possible. Let me see. There we go. Tighten up. Nice. Take one. Yep. Hey. So he's jumping, going bonkers. Oh my word. That little 8 o'clock launch wasn't too bad after all. Just filming that fish around the bucket. And that is also here by the bucket. Okay, let's see how the gaffing goes. National Geographic. I'm going to try and gaff him. Drinking up. Come on, get a good gaff here. Yeah, good gaff. There we go. Story number 2. Yeah, it's Salt Rock out in the deep. And now I'm out of live bait. Ew. Awesome. So my last live bait got burgled off. So I put 2 reporters out, but I also ran out of time. So I'm heading back in. Maybe I get taken on the way, who knows. Oh. So there's a hammerhead shark just cruising around here. We're on the inside of the shark net. There's everyone having a lacquer time on the beach. So yeah, the shark nets don't work, people, it's a lie. Gonna pack up now. Yo, what an awesome day. Such a lucky thing to be out here doing this on a Saturday. Catching some fish, got some food. Very, very cool. That hammerhead doesn't tie my toes. Okie dokie, all packed up, ready to head in. It shouldn't be too much of a mission. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you've watched this far,